The proper use of essential oils, proper use of genuine essential oils, augments all medical treatment. It seems that when I come on here and talk, I get muted a lot. Not by me. And what I want to say is that they augment when you use them specific to your needs. And that's something that I'm here to teach you how to do. Now, on the 23rd of September, I have a workshop, 3-hour workshop called Cold, Flu, and More Season, to help you get through the season and to have a healthier 2024, because you deserve it. And like I said, the chemistry of essential oils, when used properly, really augments medical care, all medical care, no matter what you choose to do. It integrates, and when you know how to do it safely, and that's what I'm going to teach you how to do. Specific. You show up and I will give you personal suggestions on that day.